Welcome back to Auto Action. The third generation Q5 is the first crossover SUV from Audi to use the company's new premium platform combustion, which will power 8 further Audi vehicles over the next years in addition to the associated 2025 Audi A5 sedan. The platform will act as a lengthy transition to Audi's promise to switch to electric vehicles by the 2030s. The 2025 Audi Q5 stands out at the forefront of the brand's SUV lineup thanks to its software-defined architecture, cleaner engines with planned electrification, and opulent lighting. A broader lower grille curled up at the sides and a smile of functional air intakes replaces Audi's fake front skid plate. Only a few camera and sensor panels are obstructing the flow below, so it's all about breathing in the air. Audi did not provide precise figures at the time of publication. However, underbody panels and air deflectors lower turbulence and the coefficient of drag. As Audi embraces the light show that is popular among both luxury and electric automobiles, a new honeycomb grille design features a 3D Audi ring logo that can shine on certain models. Up to 8 distinct light signatures can be programmed from the touchscreen when in park, and the thin daytime running lights curl around the edges in small slits. Character lines create a beltline down the side as the vertical face rises into a flexed hood. As though to capture motion, a character line creeps up from the front fender towards the back. With a full-width taillight and 3D illumination in 8 distinct patterns, the light show returns to the rear. Sequential turn lights and a warning triangle flashing can be added to the taillights in other markets to help alert drivers. In North America, a third brake light is located across the spoiler's span in the integrated rear spoiler. It can spell out Quattro for some free advertising of Audi's all-wheel drive system and reflects into the glass. It is not visible to the driver in the rearview mirror. Not until nearly the end of the year will the price be disclosed. The 2025 Audi Q5 is expected to start around $50,000 but surpass $45,795 from the year before. In addition to the Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige trim levels, Base, S-Line, and the SQ5 Performance model will be offered.